Where is the complete treatment apart from this? Is there a treatment for this anywhere else?
I'm taking daily treatment.
There is no treatment for these things. पहले तो आप समझ जाए. When you come to a program and we are saying your body can treat you 100%.
Okay, sir.
Right? So we are saying this can be treated 100%. So we run a thyroid program where people come out of, there are doctors who are joining those thyroid programs. They are saying हमको ही thyroid है, हम क्या ठीक करेंगे, दूसरों को दवाई लिखना, कैसे लिखे, हमको भी शर्म आता. So they are coming out of their medication by doing कुंभक. Now you also have gout. पहली बात तो thyroid आपको समझ में आता. Now if I start explaining it, it will take a lot of time. But बहुत short में समझा देता हूँ. You don't know this. Whenever your metabolism gets disrupted, आपका metabolism जब disrupt होता है, your metabolism produces two basic things. One, structural material which you can call as protein. Second, energy material which you can call as glucose. दो चीज बनाता है, स्ट्रक्चर बनाने का रॉ मटेरियल और एनर्जी का रॉ मटेरियल. ये दो चीज आपका बॉडी बनाता है. If metabolism gets disrupted in such a manner that energy material you are not able to form the energy raw material, that is called as diabetes. When it gets disrupted in a manner where you are not able to form structural material, protein, this is called as hypothyroidism. So you have become allergic to protein. So if you will eat lot of protein, it will increase what is called as hypothalamic inflammation. Protein जब भी ज्यादा खाते हैं, protein is an inflammatory stuff. प्रोटीन आपके बॉडी को नहीं चाहिए. आपका बॉडी जितना प्रोटीन चाहता है वो बना लेता है. अगर प्रोटीन अगर ज्यादा चाहिए था तो आप घास खा रहे होते, पत्ते खा रहे होते, उसमें प्रोटीन ज्यादा होता. Those things are more protein, but you don't eat those things. You always take less protein stuff. Mother's milk contains the least protein amount of protein, 1%. तो पहली बात, एक तरीके से थायराइड बताया, प्रोटीन एलर्जी. द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द थायराइड इज एड्रिनल फटीग. When you increase risk factors around and inside your body, your risk mitigating mechanism rises up. आपका रिस्क कम करने का जो आपके शरीर का उपक्रम है वो चालू हो जाता है. So there are basically two control centers in your body. आपके शरीर में दो कंट्रोल सेंटर है. एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, किडनी के ऊपर ग्लैंड है एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, एंड थायराइड ग्लैंड. थायराइड ग्लैंड इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड इज प्रेसिडेंट. सो प्रेसिडेंट रूल कब आएगा? जब वॉर टाइम आ जाएगा, रिस्क बढ़ जाएगा. अदरवाइज प्रेसिडेंट इज साइलेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर रूल करता. तो आप खतरा बढ़ा देंगे तो कौन रूल करेगा? प्रेसिडेंट रूल करेगा. सो योर थायराइड विल कम डाउन and your adrenal activity will rise up. This is also called as adrenal overactivity or adrenal fatigue. दो चीज बताया, थायराइड खराब होने का रीजन बता दिया. Now how to reduce the risk factors? A person who is strong from within, उसका रिस्क कम होगा ना. The person will not get into anxiety, will not get into difficult or easily go through a difficult situation. आप परेशान आपका बॉडी नहीं होगा अगर वो स्ट्रांग होगा तो. Even though you create difficulty, still your body will be resilient. तो वो resilience create करना सबसे जरूरी चीज है, and that will happen through कुंभक. The second thing that you said is gout. Again, ये आपके joint का issue है. So regeneration, we need a regeneration and expulsion of toxins from the body. ये दो चीज आपके बॉडी में चाहिए, which will happen through कुंभक. So if you do kumbhak, you'll see your gout situation will ease out a lot. Inflammation will come down, and you'll see your thyroid situation will also ease up and become completely fine after some time.